How to choose a payment method at checkout in Lululemon. Hi everybody. When you check out on the Lululemon website or application, you can choose a payment method during the payment step of checkout. And here's how you can do it. So you can follow other steps for that. First of all, go to lululemon.com and you can add items to your bag. Look out for a specific product that you would like to add to your cart and add it to your bag. Once the product has been added to your bag, look out for the cart option in the top right, or you can click on continue once you add the product to your bag. And this is our checkout page. We can look out for summary on our right hand side and click on this option called checkout. And we'll be headed towards the next page. Now what we need to do is basically go ahead and enter our email address first and click on continue. And on the next step, we need to enter our shipping address. So go ahead and enter up your shipping address here. First name, last name, phone number, address, and the shipping method. And here you can choose a payment method. You can usually choose from options like credit or debit card, PayPal, Apple Pay, Google Pay, Lululemon gift card. After that, you just need to enter up your card details like this right here. Enter up your card information or log in into your digital wallet and click on apply. After that, you can review your order summary and then place the order to complete the purchase. And if you have a Lululemon gift card, you can apply it during checkout before selecting another payment method. And that way you should be able to do it. And that is how you basically, choose a payment method on Lululemon. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.